Today is Judgment Day for sweet Thai chili beef jerky. Yesterday, we made this jerky from 6 kids send help suggestion in our comments. I've really been looking forward to this flavor, so let's see what the taste testers think.
Sweet Thai chili. I can taste the chili, the Thai, the sweetness. Yeah, I like this one.
Alright, what do we got? Sweet Thai chili. Definitely sticky. It's good, got some interesting flavors, but I'm gonna say no.
Ooh, that's a pretty good take on whatever sweetness is coming through. Whatever's in it, I like it. Thumbs up.
This one did pretty good with 2 thumbs up. One of them from Kenny, but I think this one was off a little bit. I think I used too much fish oil. Other than that, this one was fantastic. Thanks for the suggestion, 6 kids send help. I'm sending this out to you today. If you have a good idea for a jerky flavor, leave it down in the comments.